Hey guys, Kaleb from Subimods, and today we're installing the LIT LOGOS WRX emblem on our 22 WRX. So this kit comes with everything you need to install it. It comes with the control box, the logo, some zip ties, a couple crimps, and a fuse. Let's get started. So your first step, once popping the hood open, is to always disconnect the battery. What you're going to want to do is tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally retouch. Then you're going to want to get all 6 of these 10 millimeters and these 3 push clips. From there, you're going to take this off and put it in a safe spot. Now we're going to go up with the lift to get to the underside of the bumper. For our WRX, we have a aftermarket carbon fiber front lip, which resulted in a little bit of a different mounting solution for our bumper. If you do have a factory bumper, you will have an assortment of push tabs underneath the bumper. You will need to remove these with a trim tool. Once you have all your push tabs removed, we're going to move right down here. Move this push clip here so you get access to the fog lights. You're going to want to remove the fog light harness right here, just so you could take the bumper off with more ease. And that will be the same on both sides. So there's 2 push clips on each fender that need to be removed. Now with your push clips removed, you can safely remove the bumper. Next step in removing the bumper is to pull this out gently. Now these are clipped in all the way under the headlight on both sides, so you will need to work around it. An extra set of hands might be helpful. We're going to be removing our grille. We are going to be switching the grille, so you're going to need to remove these 6 Phillips head screws and these push clips. Now you can just remove the grille. We are going to be changing from our Sport R grille to the OEM Sport grille. With the Sport R grille, there is a little bit of modification that would be needed to make the emblem fit. As a result, we're going to switch to this grille, which needs no modification at all. Now to start the install, you're going to want to take one of your zip ties, slide it right through these holes, and do the same on the other side. With both of your zip ties in place, you can choose wherever you want to mount this onto your grille. So with ours, we do plan on putting this into the factory location. And once you have a mounting point, make sure there's something you can secure the zip tie to. From there, you're going to tighten the zip ties down. Once the zip ties are secured, you're going to want to clip off the tails. So you're going to want to put these push clips back in very gently. And then once they're in, you'll hear it click. And after that, we're going to put the 6 Phillips head screws right back in. So the next step is going to be to wire the control module and to mount it safely. Peel back the adhesive. Find a good mounting point and apply pressure for a couple seconds. From there, we're going to run the wiring up to the battery. So now we will be installing this 5-amp fuse onto our LIT LOGOS wiring harness. On this side, you will have a connector, which will need to be crimped and heat shrinked. On this side, you will just have a connector, which needs to be crimped. This will be connected like this. When you take it out of the box, you'll just cut it right down the middle and strip both ends. As you can see, we crimped and heat shrunk all of the wiring as well as tucked it up a little bit more. So before you put your bumper back on, you're going to want to make sure you have enough length here to connect this connector into here and then screw on the cap. So now the next step would be to put the bumper back on. Now that we have the bumper back on, we're going to go in reverse order. On to reinstalling the bumper clips. Now we could replace this garnish that we took off earlier, as well as put in all the bolts and clips. And then from there, we can hook the battery back up and test out the new logo. So this is controlled via a Bluetooth app on your phone. This could be downloaded on the App Store or Google Play Store. The name of the app is LED Hue. Let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching us install this LIT Logos emblem on our 22 WRX. All products will be linked in the description below, and if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them below.